Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to share screen on Google Meet. Alright, so let's begin. First let's start a new video call, so I'll select the new meeting and I will start an instant meeting. Now to share the screen, all we need to do is, let's wait until it launches, okay. We need to click on this icon right in here, select share screen, and now we just need to pick what we want to share exactly. We can, for example, share the pages on our Chrome. We can share the whole window. In my case, I can share the whole Google Chrome app, or also in my case, for example, the OBS, or we can simply share the whole screen. In my case, I have two monitors, so I have two screens to share, but let's say I want to share this one, so let's select it, and now select on share. Okay. Now we can see that that we are presenting. Click show my screen anyway, and now you can see that I'm sharing the screen into other users on the call. To stop it, you can click right in here, down below, stop sharing, and now the sharing has been stopped. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.